In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a poll on YouTube Mobile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up YouTube app and then hit at that plus sign. Then select create a post. If you don't see this option, you can't create posts yet. This option opens when you have 10,000 subscribers on your channel. So once you've selected that option, you will be able to create a poll by hitting a text poll or image poll. I'm just gonna select image poll. That allows us to create a post with images in the options, and first off, just write down something here and then create some options. You can tap right here where it says option 1 and then just put in here some text, and the same about option 2, and then also you can hit at that buttons, and that will open up camera roll, and from here you will be able to select some images from your camera roll just like that. And also if you need more options, just hit where it says add option. You can add up to 5 different options. Also, if you want to delete an option, just hit at that trash icon and that will remove the option. And then you can post this poll to your YouTube community, or you can schedule it by hitting at this clock icon, and that gives you an option to select schedule date, schedule time, and then you can hit at done to schedule this poll. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.